This is a 6 by 5 and 5 in depth. For this you need a block of your choice, a barrel, a chest, a dropper and a hopper. Place 3 blocks like this, and then a chest, and then a barrel for your payment, and then a hopper connecting into that. Remove the block up there, and then place 3 blocks like this, high, same on both sides. Now you need a block of your choice, a comparator, a repeater, a sticky piston, a observer, a redstone torch, and redstone dust. Now you need to come behind and place a block of choice underneath the chest with a comparator going into a block, and then a sticky piston going underneath it with the observer facing it, and then a block underneath the block you placed, and then a block again with a repeater set to 1 tick to delay, then a block going into it with a redstone torch going into that, and a block on top of that with redstone dust, and then a repeater, and then a block going into there, and then a dropper facing upwards. And that's it, you're done. For the price we're going to be using sticky pistons, and for the payment we're going to be using stone blocks. As you can see, it works. And now if you place multiple items, it will only take 1 item and it won't take the other item. The same design also works for the Bedrock edition. So guys, I hope you liked it. If you do like this video, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.